Hey everyone, I am Dr. APARNA. Today I am presenting a case of tooth repair. When a tooth breaks due to trauma or any other reason like cavities, it demands its repair. How the repair process is done? Root canal treatment. Root canal treatment gives health to the tooth for a very long period of time. It removes the dead and decayed pulp tissue from the tooth and replaces it with a long-lasting filling. Post and core is a procedure in which a tooth reinforcing post is drilled inside the tooth root so that this post gets anchorage from the tooth root and the tooth doesn't break with the masticatory forces. Then with a dental cement, a supporting crown is placed over the tooth and tooth is finally repaired for its function inside the mouth. Thank you.